What is up, guys? We're gonna be trading live today. Kind of got out of bed around like 9:20ish. Right now it's 9:44. We're trading live today, April 13th, live. Concept 306. Make sure you go ahead and read what's on the screen right now. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, just got out of bed, and yeah, concept 306 now. That was gonna be a 301 after estimated taxes and fees. I gotta figure out actually how to calculate it. I know what it is. It's the 60/40. 60% is taxed at average rate, but I just don't know what the average rate is. And then 40% is taxed at 15%. So yeah. Okay. Let's go. Alright, today's a little bit of a weird day. Almost looks like a trending day, but not really. We started off what looked like as a trending day. Right here. Up until like 7 o'clock, 7:30. And we just start trending up massively. Spikes, consolidation. Looks like one of those days. We did develop a rule way back when, maybe only about a couple weeks ago, maybe only 2 weeks ago, maybe not even that, but it was spikes during consolidation. With consolidation, have overall trend is just going to be the overall direction that the market goes. So here we have the consolidation, push down, overall trend is down, consolidation, push up, overall trend is up. But here you have a swing low first entry, second entry, and obviously that's not true because then you would have to sell if the trend was up, and you would have got stepped out. So let's not do that. Time is 48. We could probably go ahead and start trading now. Let's see. We had a swing low first entry, second entry here. Overall trend looks to be up at this point since now you have two legs up. This whoop-de-doo high, and yeah, it's all right there. I think you may have gotten it way down here. Zoom in real quick. 2, 4, 6, yeah, 7, so way down here. Then you got a swing high, first entry, second entry. Overall trend is still up. There's only two legs down, or it could be down actually. It has a little bit of backup here. Test there. It's only test there. Then you got two tests here, but this has a lot more support. Slow downtrend. I treat it as a downtrend actually. So maybe a buy right here. Maybe. Oh, actually, it might be an uptrend because you have the consolidation, falling consolidation here. So it could be an uptrend, and you go for a sell at a non-obvi. Tricky one. I feel like we're gonna get slapped around in this day. But two losses, we're pulling out. Alright, we got swing low, first entry, second entry. I'm trying to debate whether this is the rising falling consolidation here. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it has a little bit of a spill. But we'll go ahead and treat it as such. So overall trend is up. And we would have to sell right here. Swing high, first entry, second entry. I don't like those setups when it does that. So we'll stay out of that one. But the sell would have been right there. And so selling that would have been nice. We had a little bit of support here, but we kind of broke through it just a little bit. And just because it's a rangy kind of day, we're going to call it invalid. Just because it's so separated. Yeah, maybe. These are the toughest parts. This has enough evidence to be a downtrend as well as an uptrend. Maybe it pushed down too far now. It doesn't have the support to be an uptrend. It could be me making it up. Who knows? But it is 2 legs up now. The most recent move is, if the most recent move is going to be whatchamacallit. We're going to say this side, yeah, it's going to have a little bit more formal because it is a stronger trending day. So we're going to go ahead and treat this as an uptrend. Hopefully we don't get burned too bad today. It's a pretty strong range trending day. But could have turned into a range day, especially with these lows and consistent highs. We never came up back to those highs, so maybe there's a good chance we might push beyond that. So we probably shouldn't be selling. But I'm gonna go ahead and treat this as an overall uptrend. I don't see any reason to have FOMO here. Man, there's more ants on the floor again. So treating it as overall trend up. Got a hole in my shirt. This side keeps pushing higher a little bit, which is why I'm a little debateful on this high right here. We didn't quite touch it, maybe. If we did, then that'd be a surprise. But it's possible. That would be the only concerning thing in this trade. Nice. Cool. This overall trend is just up. Didn't really come to this high to treat it as overall downtrend. So good trade. Alright, debating whether this is a downtrend or an uptrend. We're going to go ahead and treat it as a downtrend. This might be a bad trade, actually. Because this side has these highs to back it up. This side has nothing to back it up. These lows were inconsistent throughout the whole thing. That's why I kind of want to treat it as a downtrend, which is why we're buying here. I think I want to minimize losses, to be honest. If it does end up pushing down, because if it breaks below this, it's for sure going to break below and continue to stop us out. But who knows? We'll take the big L. We'll take our honest L. So yeah, we call this invalid low because it was only 2 tests, and this side has significant pushes down. Alright, if we put it below that guy, we would have got stopped out already. This side did have major rejection though. Pretty sure this market's gonna keep pushing down here. Potentially stop these people out and then push on up. These people isn't us. Oh god. But if enough people see the downtrend here, or like that, the downtrend, yeah, should have a lot of, I don't know, exits, I guess. People should be selling, which could potentially push the market up if people have their stops in and stuff, maybe. Here it comes, boys. So if we do get stopped out here, it's going to be because of this um, oh, here it comes, boys. This is the signal bar. We lose it all. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, here it comes. Here we go. All right, let's figure this one out. So it could have been an uptrend due to the fact you have two bounces at this part, and your last bounce on the other end was over here, and you didn't really push up to that point right there. So this had two bounces. So our trend is up. You go for a non-obvious sell. Kind of rushed it, but two tests is really pushing it. Maybe after that like third test right here, we could have said, because that bar did close there and you can drag that across there and you can see with that level of resistance here. Maybe, oh yeah, it's a test there, test there, test there. Yeah, I missed that. A ton of tests, all separated but consolidated here. So that was a definite uptrend. How did I miss that? Jesus. Let's go for a sell here if we can still get in it. I'm feeling we might get stopped out on this one, which is no surprise because we get stepped out a lot. But we had a swing high, first entry, second entry. This is our signal bar. 1-6 seller because we broke below this low right here, which was a very important low because you have a lot of support there and you break below it. So this could be just a retest of this support level, maybe, hopefully. Looks like it is, but maybe not. It's pulling back really fast too. A lot of buyers coming into the market. Oh man, good push though, good push. We could potentially minimize losses here. kind of want to drag it above this high. Because if we start pushing above, that's going to be staircase. Maybe not. No, we'll just take the big L. The big L. This should work out potentially. We had that level of resistance. It never did the thing where it keeps pushing lower. The thing did the thing, but because you have that level of resistance across there. This pushed higher and pushed a little bit lower. This never pushed lower, so it was just the one time where it pushed lower, technically speaking. And you got this guy and this guy. Oh, come on, dude. You're like 2 ticks away. Just get the freaking scalp. Do we move it? Do we move it? Get more of a scalp. Look, we could have moved it. We could have moved it. Alright, good trade. Alright, looks like we have an overall downtrend. We had this low that we kind of broke below. So, it's an actual overall downtrend. We're going to go ahead and go for the buy here. The non-obvious. I would like for this to be our single bar instead of this one. I hope it just closes here and doesn't push down all the way here to fill us. Okay. So it triggered. I guess their stops would be here. Looks like we're gonna get out of this trade. Yeah, let's get out of it. Alright, well we have I'm gonna go ahead and go for a buy here. It's one massive move. Nothing to really indicate the FOMO here, but this could be a 15% for sure. Just due to the fact that we have to buy here. It's no significant low. It's a massive move for sure. But it could be a sell because you don't really need this correction. But there's no significant low that we really passed, which is the only thing that's like, yeah. So this most definitely could be a 15%er. These are usually 15%ers when you get the massive spike, and the market could potentially just keep dropping down. But according to our strategy, we do go for a buy here. Yeah, we just hope for that 85% to win out the 15%. It's 10:38 now. I'm debating whether we get stopped out here, if it's going to be the last trade or not. Or even if we do get the scalp, if it's going to be the last trade or not. Most likely it'll be the last trade for the day. We will get cut some taxes and fees. Actually, maybe just some fees. No, taxes too, because you do have you're coming up from $15 instead of whatever it is. Good trading. Nice. Let's go. 85%er. So that's a win-loss, win-win. And we're at 31.50. Let's see what taxes and fees would look like. Do we want to keep going? Do we want to stop? Happy dibba bap, dooba dooby dap. So times 3.23 cent, $10. So $21 increase, buck increase. I have no idea if that's how it was. 60. I don't know how it works with losses either. I don't know, but let's do plus 0.67 times 1, 2, 3, 4 trades equals 13. So 31.50 minus 13, 6 equals 18 bucks. Yeah, it's profit. It's profit. Even if we do take another trade, how much increase would that be? That one trade, I have no idea. That'd be times 5, so 15.5 times 4 actually. $14 plus 0.67 times 5 equals $17 decrease. But then you have the 31.50 plus 15.5 equals 47 minus $18 essentially, or $17.61. $30 increase. That'd be much more than our scalp for sure. Do we want to risk it, guys? Do we want to risk it? Do we want to risk it? Let's not be too greedy. All right. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Good trading. Good trading. I can't believe I missed those lows, to be honest. That was on me. That was a test. That was a test. Because look, here, let me just draw this out real quick. Draw a nice straight line real quick. If I can. Okay. So, if we have that right here, right? You can see that test across the board. Even if you drag it down to these very lows here, it's still testing there. Basically testing there. And at that point, you can see how many tests we did. Times we tested that. We don't have that thing where you keep pushing lower, so that is a valid test of an overall uptrend. Non-obvious, that would have been the best trade of the day. I mean, come on. Come on. Even this wouldn't have stopped you out yet. So you could have been riding this thing all the way down to here if you wanted to. If you had a runner. But nonetheless, peace out, guys. Good trades. Good trades. Peace out.